In the vibrant and historic heart of Legazpi City stands a beacon of excellence and innovation. Bicol University, a prestigious institution renowned for its unwavering commitment to nurturing future leaders and shaping students. Guided by its core principles of scholarship, leadership, character, and service, Bicol University inspires generations of students to excel not only academically but also in their personal and professional endeavors. Among the many esteemed colleges within Bicol University is the College of Business, Economics, and Management, also known as CBEM. Here, dreams are not just envisioned, they are nurtured, cultivated, and transformed into reality. As a proud management student at BU CBEM, explore with us as we delve into the wonders of Bicol University and our chosen program.
Bicol University has always been my dream school, but I initially chose management without a clear purpose. Feeling indecisive, I opted for it because it aligned with my ABM strand in senior high school. Over time, I developed a genuine appreciation for the program and the skill it has imparted. Now, I truly believe this is where I'm meant to be.
Hi Maria!
Hello po.
Kamusta ka?
So far so good. Yeah.
Ano yung mga experience or na-experience mo as a management student?
As a management student po, yung experiences ko po is, yung una, yung sa samahan ko is, wala akong na-feel na competition. Bagkus yung na-feel ko po is cooperation, which is, yun yung maganda sa isang samahan ng klase. And when it comes to events sa BU, especially sa CBEM, though hindi ako social butterfly, I tend to participate kasi for me, good thing siya para mag-participate sa mga events. Para yung mga stress na nararamdaman ko, hindi lang ako, of course, ng mga estudyante is ma-lessen and mawala.
What are your most memorable experiences here in Bicol University?
One of the most memorable experiences ko dito sa BU is yung sa BU Hataw kasi it was a big event, maraming nanonood and merong fireworks and every year merong gano'n.
Ay, ako din, yung BU Hataw, pero aside doon yung mga concerts na ginagawa ng university, yung coordinating with the other orgs inside BU, like yung USC and mga CNC, nakaka-entertain siya ng mga students, nakaka-help siya sa pag-less ng stress in doing academic things.
My goal as a BSBA management major is to become a skilled leader and strategist. I want to learn how to navigate the complex world of business, make smart decisions, and inspire teams to achieve great things. I'd love to land a fulfilling job in a company where I can use my knowledge to solve problems and drive innovation. It's a pretty ambitious goal, but as a CBEMians, nothing is impossible. Kasi sabi nga nila, basta magagaling, sa CBEM nang galing!
Yun na ba ang lahat? University kalidad sapat. BU for me, BU for you. Don't limit yourself. BU.